Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how from your old Motorola device make a baby monitor. Okay, at the very beginning you should prepare two devices. So your old Motorola device, it will be the baby camera, and parent device, in my case it will be iPhone 14. Okay, so at the very beginning we should download necessary software. So open Play Store and find here Bibina application. So this is maybe one of the best baby monitor applications you can use for free. Of course you have here premium features, but Bibina. You have here several premium features, but you can use most of them, so maybe most important of them, for free. Okay, so download it on your Motorola device and on your parent device. Open it on both devices. Wait a while. Click get started, continue. I have the device ready, and now on your parent device, click scan code and allow. But on your children device, click display code. And then just scan the code that appears on your baby device and click pair on baby device. Wait a while. And now on your baby device, click baby station. While you allow record audio while using the app, allow record video while using the app. Okay, click continue on your parent device. Just input baby's name. In my case, it will be Heart Baby Boy. Select gender and birth date, and just look for your baby avatar, right? Accessories, dress, RDK. Okay, let it be, for example, like that. Click OK. Here just select check on baby. Okay, then click next. Click next, continue. And as you can see here, you have some premium features, and premium features are really great here. So maybe you want to pay for these premium features because those features are really great. But just simple features we can use without any subscriptions. So just click connect, click allow, and cool. So now your baby device is just a camera. So just wait a while. I should connect. I should connect to the Wi-Fi network as my child device connected. Okay. And now use this device as parent station. Yeah. So sorry, I misclicked. Connect and cool. That's it. So now, as you can see, I can disable microphone. So sorry, I should disable it. Okay. And now I can, for example, open the camera preview. I can enable microphone, disable microphone. I can even turn on the flashlight, as you can see on the baby device. And cool. On the free version, as you can see, we can't constantly have video enabled. So after 20 seconds, it will disable automatically. But you can enable it again. So don't worry about it. And cool. So now, for example, when I talk something, so as you can see, it shows that baby is awake. But when it's silent, as you can see, baby is sleeping. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please consider to leave a like and comment this video. See you.